Listen to the waves. Say you wanna get so high. Breathe. Hey guys. Now it's that Saturday. Oh, I'm so tired right now. My eyes are just hurting. I'm so tired. I have pretty brown eyes. What do I do? I have brown eyes. I'm tired. And my other fan, I'm about to turn it off. So I've been up to 3 o'clock in the morning and I don't know what time it is. I think, oh wait, what time it is? 10. I kept turning my alarm on because I need to get up. I don't know where to go, but so I can't keep myself like, I don't know where to go. But I have been writing some ideas down for videos. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Like where out. I need to stop going to bed late. So I need to stop doing that. I'm gonna get up right now. But yeah. I need to get up right now because I'm gonna fall asleep again. So yeah, see y'all later. Friends, make it last forever. Friendship never ends. Guys, I forgot to end the volume yesterday, so I'm so tired, and I probably want to already doing right now is watching some good movies. What? Yeah, I'm watching. I am Paul Walker on they feel the name of that channel. I seeing that of Sean Paul Walker, and so it was gonna make me sad. I was gonna start crying about that because seeing that, and I mean he was like a happy kid as a kid, and he cared about his family and friends. I was like, what the hell? And I was about to cry about that because, and they said it's the last time I talked to him on the phone. I'm like, it was gonna make me cry. And he was like my first celebrity crush when I was close to about 7 years old. When I first saw Fast and Furious, and like when I stare at his, I'm like, oh my lord, because he has pretty blue eyes and stuff. I'm like. So yeah, I know right now it's like afternoon, and I forgot to. I'm sorry, but I forgot to end the volume yesterday. But I'm so tired right now. What's my eyes like brown or well in the dark? It kind of like it's black, but it's really dark chocolate brown. But I'm gonna go and talk like give me some stuff to eat. Oh, what else? What is myself? So, welcome back to my podcast. I'm doing that for. Oh, my eyes. I have to put this stuff in my eyes that's for because I can't get my words out. Eye infection during it was this year, last year or something like that. So it was this stuff that I have to use for my eyes because my doctor gave it to me, and tomorrow I go to my eye doctor. Yeah, that's what I'm into do. And so yeah. So this is what I'm gonna use them for my face. And this and this and this and this and okay, stop doing that now. This too. This is what and I got goddamn. Oh, look at my face. I got dry skin. I need to brush my teeth too. Okay, I stopped doing that now. Okay, let's get started and wash my face. And my eyes is just blurry. I can see this phone really good. And then you. Oh, look, I got this on my camera. I mean, my phone. With this and this stuff. You already have some of y'all. But I did make a video of this. I'm not even new kids on the block. Okay, now I remember. Cause I look up their name, but right now I'm a fan of their music. I know I didn't born in the 80s, but I heard their music so many times when I think I was younger, and I didn't know that was them. And I saw it on Full House on Netflix, and the two girls was doing the two sister and the friend, neighbor friend, they was doing like, I need to stop doing that. That song is stuck in my head now. Why? Oh Lord, I need to watch this right now. I gotta go, but I'm gonna watch this, and I'll probably talk to y'all doing on the next day or the next day after that. So yeah, thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, I don't like that.
About to change my address to my address. Okay, hey guys, I am back at home right now. It's kind of like, I just came from my eye doctor appointment. Oh, yeah, I just came from my eye doctor appointment so I can check my eyes and see everything's okay. Oh, sure, sorry. Sorry for this, y'all. But yeah, this is what I'm doing so I can excuse me. I do that. I burp sometimes. You have to get that gas out of your, not like the other way. I mean the front way. I mean, I'm talking about. Yeah, I went to my eye doctor appointment. Finally, we back home. We had to wait for the driver because of Medicaid transportation. We was waiting for them, and the other driver had to get another driver because they didn't have a back seat. Because in the van they didn't have no back seat, so they had to get another van. They had a back seat. Oh Lord, I'm getting tired of these. That's why I gotta hurry up so I can get my license, get my permit first, and get my license. And I know some of y'all probably hear this so many times about complaining. I don't care if I complain, but I'm just being patient right now so I can, because I really want to go to driving. Take the real permit test. But I've been practicing on the reading test on the app that is really good to use. Yeah, I just finished making a video. I did film but it's gonna be a surprise. I just don't want to tell you yet. It's gonna be a surprise. So, but
maybe. But I'm not done yet.
Right now I'm like kind of like laying in my bed with a couple of greens. Let's see. Wearing that. And wearing the same shirt that I had on early and watching some Xfinity movies on demand. I'm watching I forgot the name of the movie. Point Break. The it's like the new one from like I think that was in 2016. I think that's the year that movie came out. And I am eating some pizza, and I got some water right over here. So that's what I'm doing, and I guess that's what I'm doing a lot in my videos. I need to stop saying it. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I forgot to vlog on the other days, but I got my package that I ordered a mannequin hair. Yeah, mannequin hair. So like, see. So I'm going to open it doing like in the main video. I'm gonna open it so I can like kind of show y'all. And I'm so excited, but I don't want to open it yet because I don't want to like open it, and I want to. But I want to show in my main video, so I'm going to like do an open box things. I never did do that before ever, but I'm gonna do that. So I'm excited to open this. And yeah, let's see. But love my teeth. I'll talk to y'all like later. I just woke up, so yeah, it's probably because it's dark in here a little bit. Yeah, and my bed's kind of messed up.